Hello kids and welcome to our super fun English class. Are you ready to learn and play? Let's get started. First, let's learn how to say our names. I'll go first. My name is Faty. Can you hear that? My name is Faty. Now it's your turn. Say it with me. My name is. And then say your name. Wow, that sounds amazing. It's so nice to meet you all. Let's say it one more time, really loud and proud. My name is. Awesome! Next up, let's learn our numbers. Numbers are everywhere. We can count our toys, our snacks, everything. Let's count together from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic counting. Look at your hands. How many fingers do you have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one hand, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the other. You have 10 fingers. High five. Now for my favorite part, colors. The world is full of beautiful colors. Let's look at some. This is red, like a yummy apple. Can you say red? Good. This is blue, like the big sky. Say blue. Perfect. This is green, like the grass in the park. Say green. And this is yellow, like the bright sun. Say yellow. Now for a little game. Can you look around the room and find something that is red? Point to it. Great job. Now find something blue. You're a color expert. Let's talk about our families. Families are so special. Let's meet the family. This is Mom. Can you say, this is my mom? Wonderful. And this is Dad. Let's say, this is my dad. Great. Do you have a brother? This is brother. And do you have a sister? This is sister. Our families are full of love. Give your mom or dad a big hug if they are near you. Finally, let's learn about some amazing animals. Animals are so cool. Let's start with this furry friend. It's a cat. Can you say cat? What sound does a cat make? Meow, meow. That's right. And what about this one? It's a dog. Say dog. A dog says woof woof. Can you bark like a dog? Woof woof. Look up in the sky. It's a bird. Say bird. Birds sing beautiful songs. Tweet tweet. And swimming in the water, we have a fish. Say fish. Fish make little bubbles. Blub blub blub. You're great at animal sounds. Wow, you did an absolutely amazing job today. You learned so much, from your name to numbers, colors, family, and animals. I am so proud of you. You are a superstar learner. Let's take a little break now, and we'll be back with more fun and games very soon. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.